Hi guys, this is You Kids Draft Toys TV. Today we are learning color and numbers in English. To do this, open the colorful egg surprise. Red. In it we find the number 7. Now purple. Open and we get the number 5. The number 4 was hidden in the blue egg. And in the green, wow, see the number 6. And what is the figure button or is in orange? Yes, it's 9. Cool guys. In the purple egg, we find 0. And from green, we get one figure. There are surprise eggs left. Yellow open and 2. Everything more interesting. Open the red. What are prize number 3? Cool guys. And the last blue with the number 8. And now we will repeat all the digits from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Cool guys, watch our videos, subscribe to the channel and put your finger up if you like it. Bye bye my guys.